Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the trainer function of T16D and T12D. And there are two methods to use the trainer function for T16 and T12D. One is to connect via trainer cable, and the other is to connect via RadioLink wireless trainer cable. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce the trainer function with trainer cable connection. And we need a T16D, a T12D, R16F, and a trainer cable. T16D works as a coach transmitter, T12D as a student transmitter. The receiver R16F is bound to T16D, the coach transmitter successfully, and we can see the signal tower on the screen of T16D, and I connect a servo to the receiver to show the function. First, connect the trainer cable. Here is the trainer cable. Please prepare it by yourself. We need to make sure the connector of the trainer cable match our transmitter. The simulator port of T16D and T12D is 3.5mm port, so it is suitable with this trainer cable. And I just need to connect one end to the simulator port of T12D and the other end to the simulator port of T16D. So the connection is done. And then set trainer function on the two transmitter. Enter main menu. Transmitter settings, trainer, and switch means you can assign switch to control the trainer function, and I assign switch to switch A and set the state to on. That means to say when switch A is pushed up, the trainer function is turned on, and when switch A is pushed down, the trainer function is turned off. T16D is a coach transmitter, so I set the mode to coach mode. So this is the setting of T16D transmitter. And then set T12D. Transmitter, main menu, transmitter settings. Trainer. And I don't need switch to control the trainer function of T12D, so I keep it now. And I just need to set the state to on. T12D is the student transmitter, so I set the mode to student mode. And so here is the setting of T12D transmitter. Now the settings are done. Return to server display. Push switch A down. The trainer function is turned off. And we see the servo is connected to channel 1 of the receiver. Here is channel 1. So push the joystick of T16D. You can see the servo is controlled by the coach transmitter T16D. And push switch A up. The trainer function is turned on, and push the joystick of T16D. There is no response, but push the joystick of T12D. We can see the servo is working, which means the receiver is controlled by the student transmitter T12D. So that is the trainer function of T16D and T12D via trainer cable.